Welcome back, eSIM Studios. Just got a special delivery, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is the white and or cream version, 512 gigabyte device. It's the first time I've had any device over 256, I believe. They're doing the free memory upgrade if you pre-order through Samsung or the carrier, or at least T-Mobile. And I got this via Samsung. I got this on the Samsung website through the T-Mobile option. We do have T-Mobile. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. Literally just got it in a couple minutes ago. So I had everything set up, ready to go. I got notified it was going to be delivered today. So let's see what you get in here. I'm not too fond of these opening up what comes inside, but I just want to see the device. But I do know there are some people online that want to know what comes in the box. So let's see here. You get your SIM tray ejector tool. It's a nice one. You get all the warranty stuff, quick start guide. I don't use any of that. I just turn the phone on and go. And then of course you get your USB type C cable, C to C cable. So put this stuff to the side and let's check the device out. Let's move this too. Okay, so nice and hefty here. There's the front of the device. There's the back of the device. Wow, look at that. It looks, to be honest with you, it does not look cream. That was one of my looking at the pictures, I always called it white. Looks white in the pictures. And it looks white here. It's more, to be honest with you, in the light, I'm not sure if you can see it. It's more of a pearl white. Okay, have you seen, I know many of y'all may not be car people. Do you remember those old Cadillacs, like a CTS when they first came out? They had like a pearl white. Like if you look at it, it's kind of hard to tell on the video. I just zoomed in or focused on the back of the device. It almost has like a pearl. There's no sparkles in it, but it just looks like it might barely have a sparkle or two, but it looks white to me, so I'm just going to call it white. I'm not into calling it all these special names and everything. Like, I know Google has weird names for theirs. I just call mine white and black and blue and green. There we go with the screen. Now, let's see if this has a factory screen protector on it. It does not have a factory screen protector on it. That was one of my questions. I know in the past I think what was it, the S21, they put screen protectors on there. So I wanted to know because now I need to buy a screen protector. So I will definitely do that. It is more squared off than the old S22 model Ultra. It's the 5G antenna. You got your power, volume. Got your mic up top. It is squared off. It does fit better in the hand, to be honest with you. I know the old one's pretty clunky. Let's go ahead and take the S Pen out and see. Does this have any juice? Yep, got some juice. All right. So let's take the S Pen out. Seems pretty easy. Interesting. It's black with a silver end on it. Huh, that's pretty cool. See how they have a white inside the USB-C port? It's white. That's cool. I never knew that. Wow. Awesome. Yeah, So it's a big device, hefty, clunky. I don't say clunky, but it has a good feel to it. It feels like you're holding a premium product right here in your hand. It's not too heavy, but it really does fit in the hand well. Now, I'm going to make another video. This is an S22 case, S22 Ultra. I was going to make a video to see if this will fit. I'm going to record another video here, but look in my video content and you will see. I'm going to try to fit this on there because that was one of my questions as well. Would this fit? Maybe, maybe not. This looks a little more boxy though than the last one. Like more square, right? But cool. Got the 200 megapixel camera there. Got the sensors. Now, if the one thing I could tell just from the naked eye, noticing the difference, if you put a S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra side by side, they almost look like identical. Here's the one key feature you can identify and separate an S22 Ultra from an S23 Ultra is on the S22 Ultra. See these two laser sensors right here? See the top one up top? How it's see-through, but it's basically clear, like you can see the sensor in there. The S22 Ultra, last year's phone, looks identical, same camera setup and everything. Is their top sensor on this right here? The top sensor right here. That on the S22 Ultra is like a dark maroon color, a dark red, and you can definitely tell. Look for that. Next time you see an S22 Ultra, look for this sensor, the top one, to be a dark red, kind of a maroon colored. Behind this glass, that is the S22 Ultra. This year they put a new sensor in there, and it's basically obviously clear and see-through. So, and then I think the only other thing you can tell is these sides are obviously more squared off, but some people can pick that up and some can't. I know it's very minimal. And then I think on these rear cameras right here, you see the border where it's chrome right here, where the end of the knife is? I think on this year's model, the S23 Ultra, I think that's new. I think on the S22 they don't have the chrome embordering or surrounding the camera sensors. I think on the S22 Ultra that chrome is missing, or it's either black border. So those are the two ways you can tell the difference. I know in the past I've heard stories of people. What two phones were like? It was some Samsung. Maybe it was. And this was years ago. It's like a S6 and S7. Or maybe it was S8, S9. Somebody got sold, and they were told they were getting sold in S9, but actually got sold in S8. And yeah, so that did cross my mind yesterday. But just trying to let y'all know what to look out for if that ever is a anything in the future. Don't let anybody try to sell you something cheaper. So if in the future, and you know what, too, the colors as well. I don't think they had the what did they have? I can't remember the colors last year. Anyways, but key difference: S22, S23. This has more squared off sides. And then look on the S22 Ultra, it has the maroon top sensor, laser sensor up there is red, maroon. This year's is clear see-through. And then the S23 Ultra has got the chrome borders around the cameras there. So I'm going to get this set up and start have some fun with this. And we will do a review on it. But I just wanted to get this out into the public because I know they're starting to get shipped out. I did overnight shipping on mine, so that's probably why I got it today. I know tons of people are scheduled for tomorrow, But I just wanted to let you know, now this is the Samsung via T-Mobile variant. So I will get mine set up, and we'll start having some fun here. So very, very cool device. Thank you, Samsung. They basically, now if you go back into my history, I was wary and I was not really sure if I was going to get this. But then after I saw all the content creators, not one person had one bad thing to say about this device. Camera's phenomenal, battery life's phenomenal. It basically did, like I said, what Pixel did with the 6 Pro. You know, had some issues. They basically built upon that, same chassis, same frame, and made a fantastic Google Pixel 7 Pro. So Samsung's basically did the same thing. They took the S22 Ultra and they built upon its positives and kind of reinvented and rechanged some of the negatives about the device. And from what I understand, this is a absolute fabulous device. So I can't wait. I absolutely love my S22 Ultra, and I do a lot of content creation. That pen comes in handy. I use it every single day. So thank you, Samsung. I can't wait to start using this. Take care, guys. Check out my, I'm going to upload some, probably a couple videos here in the next couple days. So just subscribe and let me know in the comments if you want me to test anything or check anything out. All right, guys. Peace.